kids of all ages, this is a cloud lightning lamp, app controlled, and this is what it looks like, how it comes in a box. So let's open this up, show you what it's all about. Inside the box, this is how it's presented with the instruction guide, remote control, controls on the wired USB cable that is pretty long so you can hang it anywhere you want, a small hardware kit, and the inflatable cloud. Please go over the instruction guide. It'll get you to the application that you need to download and use the product as an option. It's in an airtight bag. Please be careful when opening. Pull out and allow to expand. On back of the paper is more instructions. We have a hook, an anchor, self-adhesives in case you want to rehang it in a different area. We're going to hang ours up temporarily behind me, and I'm going to make my cloud by pulling gently on the area of interest. We're going to take the plug, got plenty of cable. I'm going to find the leading plug module, plug it in. Now I'm going to drape my cable out of the way. I have the remote and the USB-A that plugs into a power source. When I plug this into my power source, we light up. We have a music, boom, 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 boom. And to get it off of the music, you hit the M, the mode button, and you hit it again, it'll do a couple of different things. As we cycle through, you can see all the different settings it does. There's plenty to keep you interested. Place in some AAA batteries that you must supply to the remote, and you can go without the wire and turn off and on the unit, automatic mode, S brightness, dimness, mode plus. Let's brighten this up again. 3 different musics, listen to the sound and all, and do different things. And let's get it to the different modes, and we have a R, a G, and a B. And we can do a lot of different things. Automatic, we'll bring it to the automatic mode. Let's go download the application. This is known as Magic Lantern. As we open it up, it's going to ask us for our Bluetooth. And see if we are connected, 1, 2, 3. If not, we are, just like that. Really didn't have to do much. I could turn the unit off and on. Choose the different colors I want. I could go to classic yellow, white, red. I could go to the different styles. Let's just do the race back. As you can see, there are many styles here, 47 styles. Flush open. We have the music area wants to access your music library. It has a microphone, wants to access your microphone, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can schedule to repeat a time on and a time off. Nighttime in the kids' room, they could look up in the nice skyline. In the kids' room, you have your room in astronomy with stars. This would make an added addition to that ceiling, giving you a wonderful light show. You could put this anywhere you want, but outside is not 100% waterproof. Be a little careful when you pull the cotton, and it will expand to a certain length. I hope you enjoy your product. If you are looking to dress up an area and give a nice light show, enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.